welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I'm gonna paint glitch effect on a t-shirt. But first, can we appreciate the new look of my mannequin? I decided that you definitely got bored of me saying in every single video, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, share, my Instagram, video about paints I use is in the description below. So now my mannequin will tell this for me and no more repetitive talks in my videos. So I'm gonna paint something which I wanted to paint for a long time, but I just couldn't find interesting video idea to paint it. And now I found it, and I'm gonna paint glitch skull on a t-shirt. I love to paint skulls. There is something magical in them. And as always, design will have very interesting idea. So let's get started. So here is the glitch skull, and I created this glitch effect in Photoshop because there's no way I would create such effect using my imagination. It's just too confusing. Like, I feel so confused when I look on this image, and I still can't understand how it was made. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna copy this image part by part, color by color, and I will try to not hurt my eyes. So let's do it. Okay, painting of skull is finished, And I can say that even to copy this image was so confusing, but I did it. And by the way, a link of the video how to create glitch effect in Photoshop I will put in the description below, so you can watch this tutorial and you can create some glitch design for yourself too. And now it's time to add an idea to this design. It was so interesting experience to paint glitch effect. And by the way guys, if you have any idea what kind of effect I can paint on clothes or any other idea, feel free to write in the comments below and help me to create interesting content for you. And also I will definitely put this t-shirt on sale on my website when I will launch it, and I will launch it when this channel will grow a bit. And it will be kind of a merch store, but so different. Like each piece is one of a kind, and you can literally go on my channel and see the story behind each piece, see the process of creating. And this website will be available for my YouTube subscribers, and prices won't be crazy, so you will be able to purchase something and become connected to this community. It's gonna be great. And that's all for today, and I hope to see you next time. Fashion is art. Bye bye.